I was so excited when this company reached out and said, would you like to give our poly stool a try around your house? So we are unboxing first. In the bag, you get very long bolts. It looks like they are a hex head. You get your small tool, your assembly instructions. Oh, let's first take out, these are going to be our legs. There's 4 of them. So far, from what I'm feeling, very nice, very sturdy, very thick. So we've got the 4 legs. This little bag that the supplies came in was actually attached to the box using a ribbon, so that if the box would have been opened in shipping, you know you would have gotten your parts because they're attached to your box. So I think that was just an additional step that they didn't have to take, that they did, that I think makes the product even more valuable to me. So, ooh, here is the top. Wow, that's beautiful. It's got a really nice finish to it. Very heavy. And then on each end, it does attach, and there's a handle on each side. So all of my parts are here, and I expect that putting it together will be a breeze. Here's all my large screws. The only downside to these little tools is by the time you're done, they're definitely hurting your fingers. I would imagine my husband probably has a drill bit that would work for this, but I really wanted to put it together as if I didn't have any tools except what came with it. As I'm finishing up with the last few screws, a few details about this particular stool. It is made of a poly material, so it is what we all know as a plastic wood. So it has a wood grain finish, which is beautiful. And the one I got is a dark wood finish. And it is actually a composite. So it is plastic. So it will not need any kind of resurfacing or anything. So far, wow, it's heavy, which I love. I'm actually going to use this right next to my jacuzzi on my back porch. I need a place when I get out just to sit down and dry off, or I can place a drink or my phone while I'm in the jacuzzi. So this will work perfectly. So all in all, we have our step stool put together. Like I said, it has the 2 handles. It is poly, so it is nice and sturdy. This one is the dark brown color. It took me collaboratively, including while I was filming, it took me about 18 minutes to put it all together, and I did not use any tools other than what was provided in the box. Oh, also, 4 extra screws. I love a company that sends me extra screws, just in case. You just never know what's going to happen. Okay, this is where I wound up putting it, right next to my jacuzzi. Like I said, I was looking for somewhere just to set my stuff when I get in the jacuzzi, and this is perfect. Perfect size. I think it's going to work really great for what I need.